Today's recipe is from the Middle East. We're making what is called cheese Fatayer. So if you're a lover of cheese, please get in here as we savor and devour this cheesy goodness. Alright. Also, for all the Muslim faithfuls, here is one recipe we can use during this Ramadan period. Without wasting much of your time, hello and welcome to Benedict's table. Let's get straight to business. We're pouring in our flour into a mixing bowl. Add your sugar, your yeast, salt, olive oil or vegetable oil, whichever one you have ready, and milk. I'm going in all with milk, but you can add part milk and part water. And then we knead this, in the mixer. You first start with the low speed, and then you turn it up to medium speed and high speed. So after mixing this, we'll keep it for about 2 hours or until it doubles in size, and that is that. Let's work on our filling, which is cheese. We're using mozzarella cheese, and then I'm also using dry cheese, going in with some black pepper, paprika, chili flakes, and then some herbs. I'm using parsley. Then we'll pour in our egg and give this a mix. So this recipe is one simple and straightforward recipe, and without much complications. Alright, so after this is ready, we go back to our dough mixture. After it has risen doubled in size, we're going to cut this up into portions. And after cutting it into portions, we roll it and begin to work on the dough. So you can agree with me, or you would agree with me, that this is one recipe that is going to be so interesting. From the look of things, it shows that this is a very interesting recipe, an easy recipe, and of course it's going to be very delicious. So we're rolling our dough here. After rolling this is just one step, and then the next thing we do after rolling is to start stretching the dough. So if you cannot if you can't roll the dough the way it is being done in the video, you can just put it into your hands and fold all the corners. You fold it in, or wrap into the, like at the bottom, you fold it in, and that is it. You get a round shape. Okay, you can stretch this dough using your hands, or you can use a rolling pin. So I'm just going to use my hand to stretch this, and then put it on the board and flatten it more. And the next step would be filling it up with our cheese mixture. So here at this point, the cheese mixture is going in, and then we'll be shaping this into like giving it a boat shape. So we'll wrap this and fold it in, and that is it. So we've gotten a boat shape. That is what we need, and that is all about this. So after this is done, the next step would be to egg wash. So you can egg wash it, or you can just use milk as your egg wash. If you're kind of allergic to egg, or you really don't fancy egg, you can just go in with milk alone and use that for a substitute. Alright, so this is just so easy. You fold it in, then the two edges, you pin them together, and make them come together at boat shape. And wow, this looks beautiful, and it's of course very, 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 very amazing. So we're done with rolling, wrapping, and shaping, and this is what it looks like when this whole rolling and shaping process is done. Now we go to the next part, which is egg washing. you egg wash this, and after egg washing this, you throw it into the oven, and it's not going to take a long time. And our cheese Fatayer is ready. Yeah, so I'm waiting for that step where I'll cut through this wonderful and delicious pastry and let you see the delicious cheesy goodness. See how lovely and beautiful this. It's already calling me to devour it, but I'm just gonna exercise some patience for the sake of this video. Okay, and that is it. See how soft and fluffy the dough is, and see how beautiful the cheese stretches. See you in my next video. Bye.